Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today we're going to focus on the color blue and what blue brings to us. Blue is truth from the divine. Blue cloaks us in protection because it is the color of Saint Michael the Archangel. And blue strengthens our will. And our will center is the fifth chakra. So you might find some extra vibration there. And you might not. Do not make the meditation wrong if you don't feel a vibration where I say you might. It's just a possibility because that is the will center. Just like yesterday, we're going to real quickly pull ourselves up, grab onto the blue, pull it into ourselves, and mostly be in silence. Whenever your attention starts to drift, just come back to what it feels like to be within the color blue. Even imagine swimming underwater where it's, beautiful blue, clear water, whatever it takes to bring your mind back to that color through this meditation. I'm going to alter it slightly though. No, we're not. See, during the Lord's Prayer, we do lift up. We do open up all our chakras, all our energy centers. So just keep that awareness that you are actually inviting the divine in when you say the Lord's Prayer. So in your mind, you are already starting the meditation and already bringing in the energy when we are doing those prayers of protection. So that's a real brief and good enough for us because we're just doing a 10-minute meditation here. So let's get started. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, relax, let go, and close your eyes. Please say the prayers with me if you know them, otherwise repeat them to yourself. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protection found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us just take a moment and scan our bodies with our attention and look for where there is any tightness or disease, and invite that part of your body to relax, let go, release any blocks. Scanning through completely. Take a deep breath again and invite your entire body to let go even farther. Bringing our attention to just below our belly button, to the second energy center. Let us feel the energy of our spirit as it moves around your belly, and let's bring it up into our stomach. Feel it move into your chest, into your throat, up to your third eye and crown, and invite yourself to move up out of yourself. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker, and just reach up enough to notice this beautiful blue, just perfect in every way. Gather some of it with your hand and start bringing it down into your body. And notice that all of the blue is pouring forward for you. It's pulling towards you, coming with you, not just the piece that you're holding. Feel it moving into your head, bringing with it the truth of the divine, the strength from Saint Michael, and energy to do your will in a truthful, divine way. Your head is full, bringing it into your throat, feeling the vibration. Could be strong, could be very easy and gentle. Allow it now to fill your body's trunk, overflowing into your arms and hands, vibrating your organs, moving into your hips, down your legs, out your feet. And this beautiful blue vibration and energy, the truth it brings, the strength of will, the protection. Let us sit with it now. As we take a moment to be grateful and appreciative, we start our day with joy. Let us bring our attention back to our bodies and close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the website. Visit me over there, into intuition.com. And this Wednesday is actually all about colors. Chris and I are going to be explaining all the different healing elements in colors, as well as other topics with the colors. So I hope to see you on Facebook Live. Sign up through the webinar, and you will be able to ask us questions directly. Have a great day. See you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.